This is the 42nd question given in GATE 2009. I'll read out the question. 4-point discrete Fourier transform of the discrete time sequence 1023 is. They have given 4 options which we need to find what is the correct answer. They have given discrete time sequence x of n. They are asking DFT. Okay. So given, take x of n as this. X of n is equals to 1, 0, 2, 3. They're asking DFT x of k. DFT x of k is equals to question mark. That one we need to find. Okay. Now write down x of k as summation n equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by capital N into k into n. Okay. Where k ranges from 0 to n minus 1, where capital N is the length of the sequence. So capital N is the length of the sequence. Here we have got length equal to 4, capital N equal to 4. So k ranges from 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now substitute the capital N value, we get x of k is equals to summation n equal to 0 to 4 minus 1, 3 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by 4 k into n. Okay. Now we need to find this equation for the values k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. First we take k equal to 0 here. Now x of 0 is equals to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into, here k equal to 0, so 0 into n. So here if you observe this total term e power 0, nothing but 1. So we need to find just the summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n. So simply expand this, it will be equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3. So we have got the values. What is the x of 0 value? X of 0 is 1, x of 1 is, sorry, this should be summation 0 plus 2 plus 3. In the question they have given the values of x of n. This will be x of 0, this will be x of 1. Okay. Likewise this will be x of 3, this will be x of 2. Okay. Now if you sum up all these, you will get the value of 6. So if you see in the options, whatever the option 6 is the first, that will be the DFT. So the answer should be either C or D, because it contains only the first term 6. We will move on with the answer, like solving, we will get the exact answer. Now we will try to solve x of 2, like substituting k equal to 1. K equal to 1 in this equation, this results in x of 1 is equals to summation n is equal to 0 to 3 x of n, okay, e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into k equal to 1 into n. Now this will be equal to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n e power minus j pi by 2 into n. Now give the n values for the summation. This will be equal to x of 0 into e power minus j pi by 2 into 0 plus x of 1 e power minus j pi by 2 into 1 plus x of 2 e power minus j pi by 2 into 2 plus x of 3 e power minus j pi by 2 into 3. Now here if you observe, e power 0 is nothing but 1. This will be equal to x of 0 into 1 plus x of 1 into e power minus j pi by 2, e power minus j pi by 2. plus x of 2 into e power minus j 2 pi by 2, nothing but like if you cancel 2 and 2 it will be pi, okay, e power minus j pi, plus x of 3 into e power minus j 3 pi by 2. Now substitute the values of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. You know that like e power minus j pi is equals to cos pi minus j sin pi. This is the standard formula which you need to remember. Whatever there, you can substitute in place of pi. Pi by 2 will be there, 3 pi by 2 will be there. Likewise, you keep on changing the values. Now, x of 0 is nothing but 1 into 1 plus x of 1 is nothing but 0 into anything will be 0 plus x of 2 is equals to 2, okay. Here e power minus j pi, that equal to cos pi minus j sin pi. This value will be equal to minus 1, okay. Now x of 3 is 3 and this value will be equal to j. Why? Because cos pi by 2 minus j sin 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2 minus j sin 3 pi by 2, which results in j. This will be equal to 1 minus 2 plus 3j. This will be equal to minus 1 plus 3j, okay. Now similarly we find for k equal to 2, x of 2, this is equals to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into 2 into n, okay. Now if you simply cancel out 2, 2 and 4, this will be equal to, if we expand this, this will be equal to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n e power minus j pi n. So now we need to get the values for n. So x of 0 into e power minus j pi into 0 plus x of 1 into e power minus j pi plus x of 2 into e power minus j, in place of n you need to substitute 2 pi plus x of n like x of 3 into e power minus j 3 pi. Now we will substitute the values of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Similarly e power minus j pi. The value of x of 0 is 1 and e power 0 is nothing but 1. Anything to the power of 0 is nothing but 1 plus x of 1 is 0, anything into 0 will be 0 plus x of 2 is 2, okay, and e power minus j pi is, it will be 1 minus 0, okay. Now plus x of 3 value is 3 into e power minus j 3 pi, this will be equal to minus 1, okay. Now you will get 1 plus 2 minus 3, that will be equal to 0. So the value of x of 2 is 0. Now for finding k equal to 3, for finding this here, for finding k equal to 3, you need if you convolute x star of 1, that will be equal to x of 3, okay. We have a formula like x of n minus n is equals to x star of n, okay. This is the formula which you need to remember. Similarly, if we do x star of 1, that itself the value for k equal to 3, okay. So you take x of 1, we got x of 1 as here minus 1 plus 3j. If you make a star matlab star means for the imaginary part you need to change the sign, okay. This is convolution, okay. So for the imaginary part it is minus 3j, you need to make change in the sign, plus to minus, this will be equal to minus 1 minus 3j. This will be the answer. So if you write all together, so first term will be 6, second term will be minus 1 plus 3j, third term will be 0, fourth term will be minus 1 minus 3j. If you observe in the options, option D is the correct answer. How we have find out the solution is, they have given x of n, the time sequence 1 0 2 3. We need to find the DFT. Okay, write down x of n as it is by using this formula, x of k equal to, okay, summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n, that is into e power minus j 2 pi by n into kn. We have simplified this equation, and for each k value we need to find these things. For k equal to 0 here, for k equal to 1 here, for k equal to 2 here, for k equal to 3 here. If we go on simplifying, we will get the answer. But one thing you should remember is e power minus j pi. This we have studied in +2 standard. E power minus j pi is cos pi minus j sin pi. This is you should remember. Okay, thank you.